Jump in bed and cover up your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Hello, my dear crafters. So here I bring you one more option for your gift giving during Christmas and also your craft fair items. So I bought this die set that makes, look how beautiful these are, makes these little bottles that are actually a gift card holder like that. But you know me, I looked at it and I said, how can I expand the use of this die? Great as a gift card holder. I'm sure this is going to sell a lot for my craft fair, but I came up with a box for it too. So I created a box and look at how beautiful that is. It stands up like that. It is beautiful, and you can even use in your craft room for your scissors. Look at that. For this, for pencils, for anything you need, or for gift giving. It actually has a very good size. Let me show you the size here. It is 3.5 by 2.25. 3.5 by 2.25. So you can fit a lot here. So you can give it as a gift. I mean, you can use it as a container for your gift. So it's a gift box, but it's also a great party favor. It's not a small one, but you know, depending on who it is, you can just fill it up with anything you want. A lot of chocolate here, a lot of candies, and also a decoration piece for your Christmas. How beautiful is that? Not just Christmas, but think New Year's Eve. Or if you are going to a birthday party, fill it up with goodies and give it to your friend. So I created the box, and that's what we're going to do today, okay? I'm going to show you how to put this together, how to decorate it. I'll show you the die set, what it looks like. Then I'll show you how to make the box. And of course, I didn't stop there. I am going to show you how to create a card with a hinge. So basically you put 2 more here and you can actually make a card with this. So 3 ways of using the same die set. So that is the tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it. I am in love with this. I've been making quite a few. So cute. And it's by KS Craft. So if you want it, get it, because they do sell out. So thank you so much, and let's get to the tutorial. So here we have a quick look at the die set itself. We have the big bottle here. This is an option like this. We're going to use it now. You can either use that or not. I didn't on this one, but on this one we're going to. Yeah, we have 2 little tags for gifting. We have the top, we have the cork. I'm not the cork, but yeah, it could be the cork, I guess, or the top of the bottle. This is what you use to cut the gift card part on the back. So it's separate because you don't have to, and I'm going to give you 2 ideas on how to use these dies that are not related to a gift card holder. Yeah, the buckle, you have the buttons here, and you have the belt. So that's the die set. Now let's move to creating something. I already have all that I need. I'm going to put that aside. We're going to first embellish. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can have fun with me. You guys know that this is my favorite part, is embellishing. So here we go. We're going to first put this on. And we're going to do this first, okay? And then we're going to do the box, which is I created for this die set, because you know me, I always have to come up with something else. Because actually, guys, when I think about buying a new die set, that's my first thought. Can I use it for something else, or is it too limited? If it has too limited a use, not interested. I go, no, thank you very much. I would rather do something else. It has to be possible to do something outside the box, let's say. So we're going to play some music here, and you're going to just come, relax, get your coffee, and see me decorating this. There you go. We are fully decorated. And all you need is one for the front. If you want it to be sturdier, which is what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use, I have two backs here that I prepared. So I don't like to just have one, unless you have a very, very strong cardstock, but not the case here. So I use two because it's going to have a box. You're going to move it around. So we are going to use this as the back. And then next we're going to make the box. Very easy. You see, the box is the easiest thing ever. Very, very easy. You guys know I don't do complicated. So there you go. I'm gonna move this a little bit to the right. And on the back, we're going to do this. And the other thing I'm going to show you guys is how to create a card too. If you want to make a card with this, like a shaped card, that's great. Let's say, well, for any kind of celebration really, but I really think it's perfect for birthdays. You know, you turn this into a champagne bottle, or someone who just moved to a new house, celebration, any kind of celebration really. Christmas, New Year's Eve, perfect. So actually I measured, this bottle fits in a, you know, those business envelopes that are long. It fits perfectly there. So there you go. We have the front and the back. Now let me show you how to make the box, okay? And then after that, I'll show you how to create a card with it. And for our little box, we're going to need a paper that is 11 1/4 of an inch by 5 3/4. On the long side, we're going to score at 2 1/4, 4 1/2, 6 3/4, 6 3/4, and 9. So these are all the same distance here, 2 1/4 each. Okay. Now we're going to turn and just one scoring line at 2 1/4. And there we go. We're done with the scoring. Now we're going to burnish the scoring lines. And you see how easy this will become a box. Doesn't look like one right now, but it will soon. So we're going to have the lower part, which is the smaller part, the 2 1/4 here. We're going to cut all the way up here. And on these, I'm going to just cut at an angle a little bit. Only the first one I don't do that. So we're gonna cut at an angle. Guys, I bought these scissors here at Muji. I don't know if you know the store. It's a Japanese store. Anything Japanese I'll buy. This is honestly the sharpest scissors I've ever seen, but it doesn't have a pointy end, so it's not gonna hurt me. So there you go. So we have these flaps. We're going to get rid of one, only the last one here. And that's what we're left with, okay? Here's what we're gonna do. Very easy. You basically just roll it up to the right, and we're going to, let me just show you. It goes like this. So you roll it up, roll it up, roll it up, and then you end by gluing this part here, and that's it. There are other ways of doing it. You can do it like this and whatever you want, but I think this is kind of a fun and easy way to do it. So I'm gonna put some glue here. Gonna roll it up and hold and make sure that this is all aligned. Just gonna press it a little bit with my fingers. Do the same thing, put some glue. And then roll it up again. And now it's this way here. I'm gonna use my bond folder. And what you're going to end up with is a very sturdy bottom for your box. And the fact that you're going to have this less overlap here is going to make it very sturdy as well, like the sides. At least one side will be. And we use that to be the back of the... So again, you rolled it up and always kind of press it like this. Use your bond folder. And now all we need to do is kind of close the box like this. How easy was that, huh? This is called Paula's roll it up method. I just created the name. Okay, there you go. Put a lot of glue here. And then we're going to close our box. How easy was this? There you go. I'm gonna press it down. Use your bond folder and you have your box. All we need to do now is just get our front and back. And guys, you don't need to actually, let me just zoom out. It's too zoomed in right now. You don't need to have front and back. If you want, save time and paper, just use the back, the front like this, and you have the back. Great box as well. You don't need to cover. But just for this one, I'm going to show how to use both, okay? So I'm gonna get the back. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna use the back. This is the front, right? So no. So this is gonna be the back where I kind of overlapped. So that's gonna go here on the back. So this is the front. I'm gonna put a whole bunch of glue here, especially on the borders, because you don't want it coming off. And the best way to do this is I hold it up like this, and then I look to see if it's centered. It's kind of good right now. Let me see, a little bit to the right. You have to make sure it's centered. I think it's good now. There you go. See? It's all good, standing up. Now I'm going to press it down. And once you have one side done, the other side just kind of follows the trend. So I just put it up like this, and we're going to glue it and press it, okay? I'm gonna put glue here. How easy was this? I just like to create boxes, I guess. You guys know that. I don't need to tell you. So I use my hands to make sure that they are aligned like this. And once they are, it's time to press it. So there you go. Now I am going to show you how to create the back with, if you want to create one like this with the gift card holder. It's very easy. I'm just gonna show you. You cut your bottle, and then you get this part here. You put it right here. Just center it like that. Pull it through your machine, and then it's going to cut these. And it's done. Basically, you're just gonna get the front and make sure, of course, you're going to just glue the center and the outside and the top here. Don't put wherever the flaps are. Let me show you. That's the only place that you don't put glue, okay? So when you glue the front and back, you can glue all over here, no problem. The outline and the top, all over here, but not where the flaps are, because you don't want it to be shut. You want this to be open like that, okay? That's the only area that you don't put glue, here and here. So very easy to make it a gift card holder. Now I'm going to give you another idea on how to turn this into a card. I'm not going to make the whole thing. So I have a front and back here. So that's the front, that's the back. You're actually going to need 4 of these to make a card. Why? Let me show you. So basically you're gonna get a piece of paper that is 3 inches by 1.25, can be 1.5 too. This is going to work as a hinge for your card, because here's what you're gonna do. I'm gonna do one side, and then you're going to just glue to the other side, and it will be good. So that's the hinge right here. I'm gonna put some glue. Just wanted to give you one more idea, guys. So you're gonna put this right here, kind of in the middle. You go all the way to the edge. Don't forget to do that. So here is what it looks like. Basically, because you don't want this showing, that's why you need 4. We're going, so that's the front, that's the back. So you're just going to add glue. Oh, guys, I'm tired today, I have to say. So we're going to add glue to the whole thing. And of course, the back part, or the inside, this will be like the left side. Let me show you. So you're going to basically cover this. So let's say this is like the front of the card, and you're going to decorate it. You do the decoration whichever way you want. And that would be like the back, and you're going to do the sandwich, same thing here, and you're going to basically have a card. How easy is that? Didn't do the whole thing because I'm really tired, honestly, but that's it. I just wanted to give you another idea, because as I was doing the video, I had this idea. So basically you do 2 sandwiches, you put the hinge, and then you put another one here, and you're going to have a card. And as I said, this fits in those long envelopes. Those are 9.5, and this die is only 7.5. So it's going to fit perfectly, okay? So that's that for today. We made our beautiful box, and here's the gift card option. It stands. It's beautiful. Thank you so much for your time. And yeah, so that's it for today. Have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you do want to get the die, please use my link, because I have affiliate with Amazon, and I get a small percentage, and doesn't change the price for you. Thank you so much, guys, and you have a great day.
Been bad and cover up your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.